There's something.
I'm checking in on a project that's not Cross Properties. It's a friend of Cross Properties, Landon Jones, that man right there. Anyway, I'm walking across two brand new 5-foot culverts. This was required to enter the property. As you can see, they're set right there. Brand new gravel, of course, over top of it. That's all been inspected and is good to go. Now we're in the land clearing phase, or I say we, Landon's in the land clearing phase of this area down here. The purpose of this entire project is to be Landon's primary residence, essentially. It's a very large piece of land outside of Salem that he's making to fit his needs completely. So the next phase of this really is cutting a driveway up this hill. You probably can't see it on the camera very well, but that driveway is kind of going to go in right here around these big rocks and go to the left, go down that way, and then cut up towards the top of that hill, which you can't see that well from down here. We've just walked up to where the home site will be. So you can see it's on the top of this hill here with beautiful views. And this entire area is relatively flat. So what he'll have when it's all said and done is a house sitting over here facing this way with a beautiful flat yard around it, and then all that area that's been cleared from up here down to where I was, where those culverts are, is going to be pasture land, and then over here to the left is a whole slew of woods land for hunting and other recreation. Is that right?
That's right.
Property also has two babbling brooks on it. It's got road frontage on 2 different roads. It's just really an awesome place. So I'm going to try to document this entire home build. It's going to be a lot of work, but this man's up to the task. Ain't that right?
That's right.
And so y'all follow along with it. There will be more updates to come.